Are you asking all the wrong questions? There are so many people who ask so many stupid questions. It's unbelievable. And you will know every question I'm going to give you right now. Whatever you do, don't use them. Okay? Here we go. The first and probably the most well-known and probably the most stupid question of all is, can I help you? Right? And what do you say when you get that question? Everyone does it. No, thanks, I'm just looking, right? No, thanks, I'm just looking. Another one. Are you planning to buy today or right now? That's putting the pressure on them, isn't it, right? Of course they're saying, no, I haven't decided yet. In other words, go away, let me make up my mind, all right? Third stupid wrong question. Look, how much do you want to spend? Or what's your monthly budget? Okay? What a stupid question to ask people, right, like that. How much do you want to spend? Their answer is going to be as little as possible, right? Think about that. Number 4, stupid, crazy, wrong question. Why don't you think about it and come back when you're ready to buy? They're thinking, well, all right, that's what you think. I was going to buy it anyway, but I guess you're not ready to sell it to me, right? And then the most classic one of all, okay, and the one that really gets people's hackles up. Would you like to talk this over with a significant other, right? And what's the response? Apart from being well and truly pissed off with you, right? Their response is, excuse me, please, right? You've really nailed the coffin then when you've done that. So what do then? You've frustrated the customer. You've given them less than a memorable experience. It hasn't been remarkable in any way. And in fact, they are really not at all impressed with you, okay? What you need to do is ask questions that empower the darn prospect, the potential customer, empower them and help them to come up with a solution with you, all right? Stop asking these stupid questions, all right? When they come up with a solution with you, guess what? They're going to own it. And not only that, they'll fight for it. And not only that, they'll probably bloody well buy it as well. That's my message for you today. Stop asking these stupid questions, all right? Best wishes from Thailand.